Alright, so once again, I welcome you all to my world of maths and physics. As you all know, I'm Teacher Jean, and in this video, I'm going to be solving this Olympiad question. This question is really crazy. We are asked to find the value of x, right? So now I'm going to be solving this question using what we call ln, which is referred to as natural logarithm. First of all, we have solution. Right? So next step, what we're going to do is we'll take natural logarithm of both sides. Ln x to the power of x is equal to ln x to the power of 20,024, right? So now, in logarithm, whenever we have a power like this, whenever we have the exponent, we have the base. The exponent will come forward, so it's going to be x ln x is equal to 20,024 ln x. So now next step is we're going to simplify this. This one will come this way, so it's going to be negative. So it's going to be x ln x minus 20,024 ln x is equal to 0, right? So now what we're going to be doing next is we'll factor out ln x. It's common on both sides. So if we say ln x, open bracket, this x will remain, right? It's going to be x minus 20,024. This will be equal to 0. So this implies that ln x is equal to 0, or x minus 20,024 is equal to 0. So now if we simplify this, we know that to take away this ln part, we are going to write this as x is equal to e to the power of 0, right? E to the power of 0, or x minus 20,024 is equal to 0. Into x to the power of 0 is 1, so therefore x is equal to 1, or x is going to be equal to, when this one crosses this side, it becomes positive, so it's going to be x is equal to 20,024. Please, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to click the plus sign to follow, like this video, share this video, let me know your thoughts in the comments, and also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you're watching the video on TikTok, the link is in my bio, while if you're watching this video on Facebook, the very first comment under this post takes you straight to my YouTube channel. So I will see you in the next video. Stay with us.